Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a PlayStation 5 Party Chat from your iPhone. And this is easy to jump in and speak to your friends. So we want to go to the App Store, and we want to get the PlayStation app. So just go to search in the bottom right, and then type in PlayStation. And it should pop up PlayStation app right here. Go ahead and get this. So it looks like this from PlayStation Mobile Inc. Open this up. Sign in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation account. Then swipe on down from the top. So let's do this. Then if you go to the right, you can see your friends list. If you go to the left, you can see your parties. Then in the upper right side of the screen, there's a little chat icon, headset. Tap that. It says start open party, start close party, or party settings. So you can choose one under here. Most of the time, I just go to a group I already made. And then at the top, there is a little chat symbol on the top. We can go to start party right here. And now I'm starting the party. And then we have options to mute our mic. We can slash it, just press it. All the options on the bottom. We can go to speaker so we can hear everyone when we're, I don't know, doing something else. A lot of times I join a party from my car. I'll have it connected to Bluetooth, and I'll listen in to my friends when they're playing Call of Duty. And I can communicate them and tell them I'm going to be on maybe 20 minutes because I'm driving home. So you have all your standard options on here. Otherwise, you could, I don't know, maybe use like your AirPods in here and then hear stuff through the TV. And you can try it out. But it's really easy to just jump into a party chat with your friends from your iPhone using the PlayStation app. I'm going to leave the party, swipe up, and you get all the same options. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.